Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making these sweet little treats I like to call chocolate fudge. Well, if you're new to my channel, please click the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. We'll be using only 3 ingredients to achieve this beautiful fudge. So stay tuned and let's get cooking. I'll be using 20 grams of salted butter, 200 grams of chocolate chips, and that's a combination of dark and milk chocolate chips, and also 1 can of condensed milk. Pouring all the ingredients into a non-stick pan, and I'll be stirring this continuously for about 10 to 12 minutes on very low heat. Pour it all into the grease-proof pan and put it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours to set. Cut them into little squares and enjoy your chocolate fudge. Thank you all so much for stopping by my kitchen today and for cooking along with me. If you did enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel as well. I'll see you again next Friday with yet another fantastic recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.